So have you guys ever experienced tiny bump-like acne or little pimples around your cheeks area? Well, today is the video for you.
Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm a pharmacist obsessed with health, beauty and wellness. I love to try new products and post every single week, so make sure you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel.
So guys, fungal acne is so crazy because it is not normal acne. It is actually when yeast actually clogs your pores, and you have to treat it and approach it totally different to normal acne. So normal acne is when like bacteria may be on your face, or you might have excess sebum, you might have dirt, dust, pollution, whatever. There's a lot of reasons why you might be getting acne. But to treat fungal acne, I have found a cure. Not just me, many dermatologists actually recommend doing this, and it is super cheap. It's less than $15 to do this, and it is actually very effective. So how do you actually get fungal acne? So fungal acne is the overgrowth of yeast in your hair follicles. So those hair follicles could be on your forehead, or they could be on like the rest of your face. Now, just like any yeast like that you could get on your body, so there are a lot of yeast treatments, and we use antifungal treatments, shampoo, soap, like solution. There are so many cures, but just like you treat anything else on your body, you have to actually approach fungal acne in the same way. So today we're going to be using a shampoo to treat your fungal acne on your face, and the reason this works so well is because it actually kills the yeast, and that in turn will reduce your fungal acne or the tiny bumps on your forehead, on your face. Acne-causing bumps are actually known as yeast malessezia, so that's why they don't react to anti-inflammatories or antibacterials or typically like acne medication, but they will react to this very fast. So if you're still confused about if you've got normal acne or if you've got fungal acne will typically be a little bit itchy and look like really small bumps, and whereas pimple or acne should not really be too itchy and they might be hot and big. So there is a big difference, but if you do start using this treatment, it will show effects within the first 2 weeks. So what you want to buy is ketoconazole. So this is also known as nizoral, which is its really famous name, and this is often used for fungal acne or dermatitis that is fungal caused, and this is used for your scalp, but this actually works so well for your face. And when I actually experienced fungal acne myself, I saw effects within the first week. So the way to use it is apply it like a bit of a mask, and then you want to start washing it with a bit of water, let it lather up, and then let it kind of work for about 5 minutes. Now, some dermatologists recommend to leave it for about 30 seconds, and that is also great. For me, about 5 minutes works really well, and you want to do this every second day. So you should definitely start seeing results within the first 1 or 2 week mark, and you should definitely do it up to 3 weeks. If you do not see any effects within that time, then you don't have fungal acne. So with fungal acne, it will react to this very quickly. If you don't see results straight away, stop using it and start using something else, or maybe talk to a dermatologist. So just like any medication, nizoral can also have a reaction or side effects. So the most common ones are rash, and so just like any other medication that we would recommend or use, nizoral or ketoconazole can also have some side effects, and the most common ones can be a rash or dryness. But if it does get excessive, then I definitely recommend that you speak to your doctor. And also, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, definitely talk to your doctor before using any treatment, because this ideally is a medication. So that is the treatment for fungal acne. Just be like really careful, guys. Make sure you don't get it in your eyes, because it can sting your eyes, but it has helped me a lot, and it has helped a lot of other people out there. So that is why I am recommending this product today. You don't have to get this exact product. I just got this from the pharmacy. You can probably find it at every other pharmacy. So that is it. If you did enjoy my video or learn something from this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, because I post videos every single week. And don't forget to hit the like button, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. On that note, I'm going to say goodbye, guys. Take care.